Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update. Guys, we've had so many news about the SLP. I'm in the Discord, and right now, and yeah, first of all, thank you so much for the people who showed their condolences for the passing of my grandmother. And I just want to show you one picture over here. I don't know if it's here or where it is. Someone just shared with us this image on the Discord. Yeah, this one right over here. So they do have a schedule, and this is Axie Infinity Origin. Okay, so from 30th of March, which was yesterday, and today we do have some few releases potentially, or whatever this news is gonna be. You can pause this video and you can look what's going up. Okay, so this Friday the April, they're gonna have the Aqua Runes and Charms and Beast Charms. I don't know what these are. I never played the game, by the way, because I'm more of a chart reader. And one more thing, if you want to learn trading, guys, you can check out the My Trading course right over here, known as the Pirate Trader, if you want to be a pirate trader. And this is 49 bucks. If you want to pay for 29 bucks, message me in the Discord and I'm going to tell you how to do so. Diving into the charts, I really love how the charts are looking like. And one thing I'm going to say, I'm now super bullish on SLP. I'm really bullish on SLP. I see this coin trying to take over the world. Okay, the structure that is holding right now, the support that is being held right now, is incredibly positive at this point of time. Of course, this is just my own thinking. Remember, I don't do any financial advice. I don't tell you to sell, buy anything. That's your call, completely your call. Do your investments according to what you want to do. Okay, now last time we saw SLP go to the 236, cross the 55, the 10 and the 20, and from here, guys, you only came back to test the 55 EMAs and the 20 and the 10 EMA, and right now you are sitting above the 3 EMAs. And if I actually notice correctly, then right now SLP, what it's doing, it's making a crossover of the 10 of the 55 and the 10 EMA. Now if this cross gets successful, you come and cross with the 20, damn, you're gonna see this thing absolutely take away over the earth. Okay, it's gonna be like huge pump in the next coming few days. Now I do expect that it's gonna come up and take this local high previously over here. You take that high, and I do have a price prediction of it going to the 0.07. Who knows, but that's believable. Okay, I think this is believable. It could do so. So you go up like this, cross that, and then boom, you go up, no questions asked. Maybe you might see some pump like this potentially based off this news that you see, because every single day you're gonna have new big news. Okay, so every single day, first news green candle, second news green candle, third news green candle, another news green candle. So it even aligns very perfectly with this one. And let me tell you one more thing though. The pump is about to happen from tomorrow, in my opinion, and I'm gonna tell you why. Do you see, you do have an apex coming in over here, and that is 3rd of April. Actually not tomorrow, but until 3rd of April, you're gonna have a decision. It's coiling up here. You do have this lower resistance right there, support right there. And the best thing about this one, the last time I remember 2 days ago, when you were dumping to the downside, when people were saying, oh no, SLP is hacked right now, it actually just went up like this and came down a little bit here, touched this trend line, moved like this sideways, and from here you're gonna have the apex. In this apex, you might even pop to the downside. Remember that. If those bad news are actually real bad news, then you're gonna see this thing go to the downside. But it doesn't make sense to me right now. The favor is hugely to the upside, okay, for SLP, and potentially the first target you're looking for is this one right over here, 0.0309, and that will be a nice lovely trade from there to there. 45% trade, man. Really awesome. And anyway, that's it for this update. If you guys want to learn TA, I do have a course for you. If you want to pay 29 bucks instead of 49, do message me on Discord. Come to the Discord, message me, and I'm going to tell you how to pay with crypto for 29 bucks. And that's it for the update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.